gotta get down. Two times before, or maybe it was more, well I guess I never knew. I've been searching in the great beyond, and babe I should have had a clue. But now I know the answer, well now I know the truth. I'm gonna find my way, gonna leave today, 'cause baby, I'm coming on back to you, pretty baby, baby. I'm coming on back to you, oh yeah. Coming on back to you, pretty baby, oh baby. I'm coming on back to you, oh yeah. Coming on back to you, pretty baby, baby. I'm coming on back to you, oh yeah. Coming on back to you, pretty baby, baby. I'm coming on back to you, oh yeah. But first I gotta get down.
Oh yes, it's coming, and it's moving oh so fast. I don't know how long a modern day society is gonna last. A new evolution, modern technology, plaguing your mind into a virtual insanity. Tell you how to think, what to do, who to be, spend your cash, fill your stash, stimulate the economy. But are you free? Can't you see? Can't you see? We're all just slaves to the motherfucking TV. Caught on the line, on time after time. All drugged up, so we all feel so fine. But all the lies can't stop the time. The bullet train's coming, just starting down the line. Oh yeah, it's already in motion. It's gonna hit you like a tonic, potion, slap in the face. Oh yes, indeed. The bullet train